Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your WhatsApp storage and use it to free up space by deleting photos, videos, and other files you no longer need. This is a quick and easy way to recover storage without deleting your chats. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and head to Settings. Android users can usually access it from the three-dot menu in the top right corner, while iPhone users can simply tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. From there, scroll down until you find Storage and Data, then tap on it. Now select Manage Storage. Give WhatsApp a few seconds to load everything. Once it's ready, you'll see exactly how much storage WhatsApp is using on your device. Below that, you'll find a list of your chats, sorted from the ones taking up the most space to the least. Tap on any conversation to view all the photos, videos, documents, and other files stored in that chat. If you find files you no longer need, press and hold one to select it, then choose any additional files you'd like to remove. When you're ready, tap the trash bin icon. Before deleting anything, take a moment to make sure you aren't removing important files, since they can't be recovered from WhatsApp unless you have a backup. Now go back to the Manage Storage screen. You'll also see categories such as forwarded many times and larger than 5 megabytes. These sections are usually the fastest way to free up storage because they contain the largest files on your device. Open either category, review the files, select the ones you no longer need, and tap the trash bin icon to delete them. After removing unnecessary files, you'll have more available storage on your phone, and your WhatsApp will stay cleaner and more organized. And that's it. Now you know how to find your WhatsApp storage and free up space on your Android or iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.